The second program. Now I'm running first program also. So we have clear outputs here. Both programs are affected. But now why I said the global style, sir? Reason I'll show series one. But here I come to this HTML H1 tag red, and I'm adding some one more extra property. What is that, sir? Alignment property is there na, that I'm going to attaching. Text align equals to center. So text align equals to center. But where I make the changes here? In my CSS file, in my .css file. But these changes are automatically reflects to. These changes are automatically affected or reflects to both HTML or single HTML? Both HTML. But how many programs you mapped or linked to this CSS? That all programs are reflecting these changes. Really, yes, sir. Go to the browser, just use the refresh. Center alignment. Go to the second program, use the refresh. Center alignment. Global or not? Global, pure global. If you make any changes in the .css file, sir, it's automatically affected to all linked or mapped HTML programs. So define the styles once in externally and utilize it in throughout the project. The external CSS benefits are in 3 CSS, the more powerful is external CSS. You are also observing the results. Medium level internal CSS. Inline CSS only for the testing purpose only, not for the problem solving purpose. Yesterday I already explained the point. Inline CSS used only for the testing operations, but in original programs don't prefer that one. Next, here we mapped only one CSS file, sir. But I have 2 CSS files. There's some styles defined in one CSS, some styles defined in the another CSS. Is it possible, sir? 100% possible, sir. Just an idea purpose, I'm explaining that one. I have one more CSS, sample.css. 2 mappings are done. One HTML program is linked to 2 external CSS. What happening now, sir? Styles are downloading from the test.css and styles are also downloading from the sample.css. With the both styles, your web page is producing the outputs. Both styles are affecting to your web pages, no problem. Detailedly we'll discuss in future which one is effective, which one is not effective. Just somebody they have, I think, this question. Sir, you mapped only one CSS. Can I map the second CSS? Can I map the third CSS? Any number of CSS we can map it. There is no problem. And final output, sir. Final output comes with all these CSS. But there are a lot of conditions are available, lot of precautions, rules and regulations are available. And the detail in future classes we'll discuss that. Up to that, just remember, a HTML program can map to any number of external CSS files. So inline along with the tag, internal within the same program, external outside the program, 3 different locations. With CSS attribute implementation approaches. In future, if you want to define any CSS styles, follow one of these procedure. Better practice with the second procedure right now. In future, third procedure. Now with this one, attributes overall information is over, sir. What is HTML attribute? What is CSS attribute? How to implement the HTML attribute and how many ways we can implement the CSS attribute. Attributes list not completed. Remember that one. Attribute list not completed. Attributes we started yesterday session. That attributes topic continues up to the last day of your session. And every day we are going to learning some attributes. It's not one day operation. One day if it is possible, sir. 3 days your batch also completing. So day to day attributes are increasing and the tags also increasing. Before going to more attributes, what is attribute, what is their functioning, how many types available, a categories list we completed, that's all. Next topic onwards, HTML, CSS both running parallelly, sir. Next topic, next example, what we are going to discussing. Almost in every program, HTML available and CSS also available. Next tag, I'm going to starting here, HTML concept. So what is that, sir? To display images. Previous all examples, headings, paragraphs, strong data we are displaying. Data only, web page designing data, how much important. Pictures also the same much of important. Reason, sir, nowadays without images there is no website. Data, text data, how much is important. Visualization, pictures also the same important. So can we display the images on the screen as well? Yes, sir. For that we have the separated tag. The tag name is image. IMG tag. Full form image. So working with images. Just before that, see this one small live example. Open your Flipkart or Amazon or something else. Sir. These all are images, pictures. I want to display the images, maybe not this much of effectively. Reason, we are in starting stage. So as per our level, we are going to displaying the images on the web page. Data available plus the pictures also available. So IMG tag used for displaying of the images. IMG tag used for displaying of the image. IMG full form image. Tag name IMG, original pronunciation images. And how many images we can display by using this tag, sir? One tag, it supports one image, basically. One IMG tag, it supports to display one image. If I want to display multiple images, sir, just repeat the tag multiple times. The previous examples, I want to display couple of headings, sir. What we did? H1 tag, we repeated. One example. One example, I want to print the multiple paragraphs, sir. Paragraph tag is repeated. Now we want to display the multiple images. Repeat the image tag. But one time, one tag can display only one image. Basic concept. Next, what is the nature of this tag, sir? It's an unpaired tag and inline tag. Image is an unpaired tag as well as inline tag also. We know already meanings of unpaired and inlines. Next, what is the syntax, sir? This is the syntax to write the tags, sir. Angle bracket, IMG, some attributes are comes. That is, I said, the coming topics, all attributes are compulsory. HTML attributes plus CSS attributes, both. We have to design some attributes also. Compulsory, yes, sir. Coming all explanations 99% of your topics, examples, attributes mandatory. 99% of coming topics, attributes are compulsory. Without attributes, the tags unable to produce the outputs. That much of dependency between the tag and attributes. Tag available is sir. Tag doing tag functionality, attributes doing attributes functionalities. Both if you combine it, then proper output is comes. Next, which type of images we can display on the web page, sir? There is no limitations, there is no dependency, sir. 100% how many types of images available in computers or computers are supported, that all varieties of images it supports. JF, IF, SVG, JPG, BMP, GIF, TIFF, PNG, WebP. How many varieties of images in our operating system supported, that all varieties of images I can display on the web page. There is no compatibility problems, there is no dependency problems. A few days back you said we can't suggest all the images, sir. The icons, sir. Icon different to image different, sir. Previous explanations about icons, current explanations about displaying the image as a data on our web page. So that points don't apply to here. Different topics. So here 100% we don't have any dependency or something problems. We can display any type of images, any number of images. And lastly, one small note point. I want to display any image on my web page like this. First, a photo or image required in my system or not? I have to maintain that picture or not? Yes. But where is images? Not available. Again, Google Mataji. So go to the Google, download the wallpapers or something, whatever it may be. Otherwise, in our mobile, we have some photos. You can just copy the photos and use here. No problem. So what are the images you want to display on the web page? First, to collect that all the pictures from anywhere. Where you want to collect at your wish, sir. Internet, your own drawings, photos, selfies. After that, copy these all the pictures and maintain in our current folder. A third point that only see that one. It is strongly recommended to place all the images what you required. In where, sir? In the root folder or create a subfolder. HTML4 folder is there, na? Directly download and save in this folder. No, sir, images, HTMLs are both are mixing, sir. Then do one thing, create a subdirectory, subfolder or subdirectory for images, only images. Name, sir. Name, you can take anyway, sir. Chicken, mutton, fish, Manchuria, noodles, pizza, burger. But better go for the images. The active name, suitable name. I'll show here, see that. So this is our folder. E-Drive, HTML4. Daily, what are the examples we practice? These are the daily examples. Right now, this is. Here we can download the images. Or what are the pictures you downloaded? Copy that and paste here. The compulsory. Second option, sir. I have the more number of images, sir. Or 15-20 images available, sir. I better go for the subdirectory, subfolder. The best, sir. Project environment. Create one directory inside your HTML4 directory. Name your wish, but my suggestion, images. Name 100% your wish, your interest, your name or somebody's name or whatever it may be, anything okay. But my suggestion is images or pictures like this. It is some readable name, easy to understand. Somebody they are arguing like this. Sir, images I want to store different location. Program I want to access it, sir. It's possible, sir, but 100% of the waste process. Images in different location, program in different location, the type of practicing 100% waste, no use. So compulsory get all your images and maintain inside your project folder only, not outside the project folder. Source code inside the project, images outside the project. What is this policy? In future, when you are moving this project, sir, what happens? Project only moving, your images are not moving. The images, if you maintain inside your project folder, sir, when you are copying the project, images also copying. When you are deploying the project, images also deploying. And if you maintain two different locations, sir, special caring is required with both. Sometimes we are making some mistakes, sir. Conformly, it's affected to your program. So it's not encourageable. This is my suggestion. Create a subfolder and download all the images into this folder. Subfolder not interested, at least download all your images into HTML4 folder. Outside అయితే 100% not encourageable. A very wrong way of the coding practicing. Following or not your choice. But images folder is there. Images are not available. Download and copy it. The images, if you copy it, copyrights permission comes, whether some problems are comes here, sir. Testing examples here, sir. Which image you are using, who is watching? Our system, our programs. We are downloading it our local hard disk, right? No copyrights problems, no violations, no crime, no piracy. But when you are going to the original applications, I think you have to care about those compulsory. For downloading time taken processor, that's why other batches images available. I'm just copy pasting into this one. Downloading and only time taken process. There are some images are available. We're just going to downloading all these things. Already downloaded pictures. I'm copy pasting into my images folder. Now observe the location once. The a.jpg picture. a.jpg. What is the address? e:/html4/images. Address of the image. But these all images addresses is same only. So images downloaded and placed into our folder. Katham. Now back to coding. A small message here. So IMG, it's a tag. So yesterday onwards, I'm explaining some attributes concepts, sir. Somebody still they have the doubt. Sir, already tag available. Why attributes, sir? Already tag is there now. Q attributes, sir. These questions are final answer, sir. But now image tag, what it is doing? It displaying the image on your web page, right? Yes, I implemented the image tag. Browser understanding your instruction, but browser still getting one question. Hey, Shivakumar, you are asking to display the image, na? I'm ready to display the image, but where is your image? What is the name of image? What is the size of the image? Kidhar hai these details? Where is all these details? Not available. You are stylishly IMG close bracket and then stylish coding, simple. Or browser getting confusion here. It's ready to display the image, but image related any information is not available. Simple thing. Sometimes we are facing the day after tomorrow interview. Company they dropped the mail. Mr. So and so, this date to this time you have the interview. Ante. Interview details not available. Which round is not available. Total how many rounds also not available. Just a small message. Mr. Shivakumar, we are conducting the interview to some the so and so date to so and so time, so and so place. Ante. No more information. How you are preparing interview? In that mail, there is no details. Day to time or place. That's all. Interview process, no. Which round they are conducting that day also. No idea. So how the preparation going on, sir? All rounds you are preparing, huh? If you want to prepare the all rounds also, total rounds list required kada. The communication problem. The same thing. If I run this program, what happens, sir? Nothing, a small icon displaying that, sir. Picture not comes. Tag wrong, sir. Tag 100% perfect, sir. We followed the perfect syntax of the tag. Okay, that is image. Here. Image here. Huh? Not visible, huh? Visible here. Here image starting, image ending, the height, this one. You got red color, blue color. You got a rose flower. That's a leaf. So you So, but tag we used or not? Yes, but why we are not getting output? Complete information not available. So tag giving basic instruction. Browser, you have to display the image. Browser, yes sir, I am ready sir. Next question, where is your image? That information we have to pass by using attributes. That is the importance of the attributes. So basic instruction coming from the tags. What to do, tag saying. How to do, attributes are saying. Both if you combine it, proper task finishing is possible. Still any doubt? Attributes why, tags why? So here we have one attributes are SRC. Full form source. SRC full form is source. Source means, sir, where is your image? That image name, address, we have to. Image not displaying. Okay. So SRC equals to write your complete address here. Complete address what, sir? HTML 4 images / take one of the image. We'll copy the so many pictures here. Dog.jpg. Dog.jpg. So SRC is an attribute. IMG is a tag. Both are coordinating and producing the perfect output or final output. Now dog image displaying with how much size, sir? The original size. Every image they have the own size, 700 by 600, 800 by something. With how much size you downloaded from the Google, the same sizes comes here. This is the dog. Our heading available here. Our HTML data available plus picture also available here. Why that size only comes, sir? The original photo size, sir. Original photo size, how much available? That size is displaying that one. I don't like that size, sir. Okay, customize. Attributes are there. You can make any change by using attributes. Last 2 sessions onwards, that only we are changing. Attributes, changing the look and feel. Attributes, special settings. Attributes, special features. Apply the attributes, we can make the changes as per your interest. So first image is successfully we displayed. And this is actual complete address to write. But this much of clear details not required. In that half of the address, we can cut it. Reasons are, our HTML program also available in the same half of the same location here. Our HTML program available in HTML4. Images available one step ahead. But half of the address for the both the same. That half of the address we can remove it. How, sir? Next example I'll show, see this one. I'm displaying one more image, /images/ one more picture we'll go for. మన ఫ్లవర్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా, ఫ్లవర్స్ We'll go for the flowers JPG. This is original, but you can go for the shortcut like this. Half address we are writing, and from which point the image HTML program image difference comes. A difference address only we are writing. Before that one, sir, before that part both are same, so you don't need to write explicitly that one. It is shortcut actually. Now flowers also displaying with their own size, a little bit bigger size than that one. See that full address case it is working and half address case also working. If I remove images also, sir, it doesn't work, sir. Images folder name not mentioned, that doesn't work. Images folder name compulsory. But now flowers it's getting very big size, sir. Yes. Can I customize this size, sir? Use another attribute, width and height. One more attribute I'm introducing, width. To set the width of any HTML tag. Height. To set the height of any HTML tag. For every tag we can use this, sir. Right now I'm using for controlling the size of my image. So what is the width of flower, sir? 400 pixels. What is the height of flower, sir? 300 pixels. Very small size comes. I want to display the flower image, that is source. Which image you want to display? Source. What is the width of that image? What is the height of that image? Small size based on your measurements. Purely based on your measurements. So in this tag, two options I covered, sir. One, how to write the partial address, and second one, the controlling the size of the image. Next, line break. Reason, sir, third image comes in the same line because all these are the inline tags. Inline tags, sir, they'll continue in the same line. But next image, I want to get into next line, sir. So that's why manually I'm applying the BR tag, break tag. Next, third picture I'm going to display img src equals to one more style of address writing I'm showing. The original address in Windows operating system, the shortcut address for that Windows. Original projects, so how we are writing address, this third option I'm showing. Original projects, so first option not correct, sir. Second option also not correct. In our testing systems, okay. Real projects, both are invalid operations. But what is the original address, sir? Live websites I'm saying. http://www.yourwebsite-name.com/images/a.jpg. The original style of writing addresses. Original websites address writing like that, sir. What is the site name, sir? With which name you developed the website or site name? nareshit.com or facebook.com or yahoo.com or flickr.com or something site. In that project, images subfolder is available. Inside that, jpg.picture is available. The live environment address typing styles. But now, can I use this one, sir? No, because my program dummy program, not live website. So I can't use this one. Just for your awareness point of view, I'm explaining that. Simple. Hello, Sarji. Google Classroom not created yet. Wait some minutes. Okay. See the Naresh IT website. In Naresh IT also we have so many images here. See that one. A courses pictures, so something available. These all are images. So I will just open the source code of this one. I'm just finding the image tag where it is available. Once observed na, the image tag. This is image tag. They used some CSS extra settings also. Leave it. That is not our topic. IMG tag is there. Scroll on the same line. SRC is available here. Scroll on. What we have here, see that www.nareshit.com/wp content/something/png. Observe the address. nareshit-logo-png. Naresh IT logo address. Where it is, sir? In 06 folder. 06 folder available in 2019 folder. That is available in uploads folder. That folder is available in WP content folder. That folder is available in Naresh IT website. Matter that. It is original live addresses typing style. Why they are maintaining like this, sir? They are creating lot of subfolders, sir, for maybe separation of the content, I think. Mobiles lo mana gallery, if you open it, what happens? Mobiles lo gallery available. All photos displaying in the single box. No, separate headings available. WhatsApp images, Facebook images, photos, downloaded, screenshots, all separate folders available in my mobile. No. Your mobile, sir. Somebody is seeing like this. Shivaratri special. So why that filtering, sir? To easily recognize your images. And if you go for some of the options in that mobile gallery, sir, month-wise also displaying. For every month, one folder is created. Last January, you took some 40 photos. 40 photos displaying with the January 2022. Next February also completed. So February 2022, one more folder. In February month, how many selfies, how many photos you took, that all things are comes under one folder. I think Naresh IT following that one. See that 2019 is the year, 6 is the month. In that month, maybe they created that image that they map like that. I'm expecting. The meaning, as per the coding, we identified that one. See now here also transparent image, images slash assets slash admin slash something. The real websites address writing style. But up to that, we are doing only practicing examples covered. You can go for some shortcuts like this, no problem. Actuality I think this one. So if I run this one, I'm unable to get any image, sir, because the website name not designed. This also not available. One small picture comes. That is nothing but an icon. Your image not identified, so you got a bottom this icon. What is that icon meaning, sir? Your image not identified, so browser default picture is displaying. The Windows operating system icon. Problem, sir. What are the address you given? Address not found. www.sitename.com website is there. First of all, in that website, images folder is there. Who knows? For explanation purpose, I just use it roughly that one. In this place, can I use the Naresh IT website images, sir? Why not? Because we already discussed together. You can write the URL here. If you want to display any of the images available in another websites, exactly identify that image URL, but use in your program. 100% it will works. There is no problem. I'll go for the some Google images, sir. So this is the picture. I want to copy the URL of this picture. So this is the picture I need, sir. Just I'm copying the picture URL. Copy the image link. We have an option, copy image link. Which image you want to display? Right click on that image. You just right click on that image. We'll get some options. And that options, copy image link is available. Click on that. Back to your program. Write that, paste that one. http://images.indianexpress.com. Again, 2019 to Happy Mahashivratri.jpg. Working, sir. Your time bad aithe not working, sir. Generally it's working. Very matter. So with the URL, with the live address we accessed here in our program. These are our own images. This is other website image we just displayed in our program. Like that, any website URL we can image. Only the required is URL. Requirement is only URL. Next 2 minutes, sir. I'll share the Google Classroom link. For online students, the name wrong word in the wait. So for online student, a classroom link I'm dropping in chat box. Please check the chat box. Online students, for joining into the classroom, link I just dropped in the chat box. Please check it. Offline students, you can copy this 7 letters code. Classroom code adi. Just open the Google Classroom link, click on the join classroom and add this code. Letters are case sensitive. CKJSGBM. Google Classroom code, not Zoom meeting code. For accessing of the notes, so this Google Classroom is the helping for us. And if you have any questions and doubts also, you can drop in the Google Classroom link. I'll reply it. So by using this code, online, offline students also, you can join in the Google Classroom by using this code. And what I'm going to posting and what I'm going to updating the notes is everything you can access daily. We don't know how to join or we don't know how to add it, sir. If anybody you have that problems, I'll show here, sir. First to open your Google Classroom link. Who are attending first time these type of classes, open your Google Classroom. Who have the Google account, to those all the students, you can open the Google class. After opening the Google class, we have the plus symbol here. Click on this plus symbol. Join, create. Go for join, because classroom already I created, you have to join only. So join class. Now it is asking your class code. You just copied the 7 letters code. Give that code here. Whether CGB something well. What is it? Nene copy cheskunta. Wait, I'll copy. CKJS GBM. After giving the class code, sir, a join option is activated. Whenever you enter the code, a join option is activated. If you click on this one, completed. Simple procedure. After entering the code, just click on the join. That's all. And your name is visible in this list. So already 190 students, they joined within these 2 minutes. Your name also visible here like this. And sometimes name not visible, sir, because more joinings available cases. You don't worry. Updated notes post you are getting an order, just check it. My posts all are visible to you, sir. That's all. You are already in the classroom only. So what I'm going to posting, those comes here like as these messages. Okay, very good, done. Today night I'll update the complete notes once again here, sir. Recently you already given some links, sir. I already said it's a temporary link only, and this is our permanent link. From today onwards up to end of the batch, every updation, sir, comes in this only. A temporary link, we can relieve it. No need to save that one. The same notes I will paste here also. That's all about the today's explanation. Balance we'll see in tomorrow's session. Thank you all.